Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a risk assessment with Palo Alto Networks step by step clearly. To create a risk assessment using Palo Alto Networks, start by accessing your Palo Alto Networks interface. Log in with your credentials to reach the dashboard. Navigate to the Objects tab located in the main menu. Under this tab, locate the Risk Assessment section. Click on Add New Risk Assessment to initiate the process. You will be prompted to enter necessary details for the assessment. Begin by naming your risk assessment for easy identification. Select the appropriate assessment type from the drop-down menu. Next, define the scope of your risk assessment. Identify the assets that will be involved in the assessment. Assess each asset for potential vulnerabilities. Utilize the built-in risk assessment tools provided by Palo Alto Networks. Input data regarding the likelihood and impact of identified risks. Evaluate the metrics to determine the overall risk score. Analyze the results to prioritize your risks based on their scores. Develop a mitigation plan for high-risk vulnerabilities identified. Document your findings and proposed actions for reference. Once completed, save your risk assessment for future reviews. Regularly update the assessment as new risks emerge or change. Finally, communicate the assessment results to relevant stakeholders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.